Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Yesterday we have completed rules for writing a unit and length. And today's topic is area. Area. What is area? Surface occupied by an object. Surface occupied by an object. For example, if I take this is a rectangle and this rectangle name is ABCD and this is length and this is breadth, and this length and this length is equal and this breadth is equal. So this rectangle having opposite sides are equal. Okay, and they are asking surface area, surface occupied by an object. So this is the surface occupied by an object. How we will find this occupied by this surface occupied by this rectangle? We can do by the method of graph or by the formula of length into breadth. We can find this surface occupied by an rectangle by method of graph and this formula. Okay. For example, if I take this is a circle with having radius r, how we will find this surface area? By the formula of pi r square. We can use pi r square for finding this surface. Okay. Note down. And the units of area. Units. In this units, yes, I have. If I take for example, this is a rectangle and length have meter, breadth have meter. Length and breadth having same units. So then L into B is equals to meter into meter now. So this is meter square. So what is the SI unit? Meter square. Meter into meter, meter square. We are multiplying both this unit and this unit. So meter square. So CGS unit. Centimeter into centimeter. Centimeter square. MKS. Meter square. SI and MKS have same units. So here FPS. Foot into foot. Foot square. Foot into foot. Foot square. So these are the units of area. SI meter into meter, meter square. CGS centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. MKS meter square. SI and MKS have same units, and FPS have foot into foot, foot square. Okay. And the submultiples and multiples of an area. Multiples. 1 decameter square. 1 decameter square is equals to 1 decameter into 1 decameter. 1 hectometer square is equals to 1 hectometer into 1 hectometer. And 1 kilometer square is equals to 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. And 1 megameter square is equals to 1 megameter into 1 megameter. This is enough for multiples. Okay, note down. And submultiples. Multiples. 1 decimeter square is equals to 1 decimeter into 1 decimeter. 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. And 1 millimeter square is equals to 1 millimeter into 1 relation between SI, CGS and submultiples. Okay, and first we have to find 1 centimeter square is equals to dash millimeter square. Okay, here 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So here 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters into 10 millimeters, and 10 into 10, 100 millimeter square. So 10 square millimeter square. Here 10 square is the relation between 1 centimeter square is equals to 10 square millimeter square. Okay, and the second relation, 1 meter square is equals to dash millimeter square. So here 1 meter square is equals to 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeters. So 1000 millimeters into 1000 millimeters. 1000 into 1000. 10 power 6 millimeter square. 10 power 6 millimeter square. So here 1 meter square is equals to 10 to the power of 6 millimeter square. Okay, and this third relation, 1 centimeter square is equals to dash meter square. So here same process, 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Here 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meters into 1 by 100 meters. Okay, so 1 by 10 to the power of 4 meter square and 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. 1 by 10 to the power of 4 meter square means 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Okay, so relations is completed. Problems. The first problem is what is shaded area? In this question, they gave rectangle, circle, and they shaded some portion. Then they are asking what is shaded area. How we will find? The shaded area is equals to shaded area is equals to rectangle area minus circle area. Rectangle area minus circle area. So I will do process here. L into B minus 2 minus pi r square. So 14 into 15. 14 into 15 means 14 into 15 meter square minus 22 by 7 into pi means 22 by 7, and the radius of circle is 14. So 14 into 14, 2 times 44 into 14, 616. So here 14 into 15, how much? 210. So 210 meter square minus 616 meter square. Okay. So here 616 meter square minus 210 meter square. 406 meter square. This is the shaded area. Okay. Next question. 6 millimeter square is equals to dash meter square. Here 6 millimeter square is equals to 6 millimeter into 6 millimeter. So here 1 millimeter is equals to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So here into 6 multiplied. So here also 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So 6 millimeter is equals to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 millimeter into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. So 6 into 6, 36 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus or minus 3. So 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. So 36 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square is the answer. Okay. So problems is completed. Very important relation between foot and centimeter, foot square and centimeter square. So here 1 foot square is equals to 1 foot into 1 foot. So here 1 foot is equals to how much? 7.62 in centimeters into 1 foot, 7.62 centimeters. Okay, 7.62 into 7.62, 58.0644. 58.0644 centimeter square. So the relation between foot square and centimeter square is 1 foot square is equals to 58.0644 centimeter square. This is the relation between foot square and centimeter square. Note down. So another multiples of area. First one, air. Another multiples of area. Okay. First one, air. If I take a rectangle, this is length and breadth. No, square we will take. This is a square, and all sides are equal. So 1 air means the side with 10 meters. 1 air means side with 10 meters, and the area of this square is 100 meters square. So 1 air is equals to 100 meters square. If this square side with 10 meters, then the area of this square is 100 meters square. So 1 air is equals to 100 meters square is the multiple. Another multiple, 1 air is equals to 100 meters square. Easily, if we take square with 10 meters side, so 10 meters into 10 meters, 100 meters square. So 100 meters square is the 1 air. Okay. And second multiple, hectare. Hectare means the square with side 100 meters. Square with side 100 meters. So 100 meters into 100 meters, 10 to the power of 4 meters square. So here 1 hectare is equals to 10 to the power of 4 meters square. Okay. So the relation between kilometer square and hectare. Kilometer square and hectare. So here 1 hectare is equals to 1 hectare is equals to, we already know, 10 to the power of 4 meters square. here 1 meter square is equals to 10 to into 10 to the power of minus 6 kilometer square. So 10 to the power of 4 minus 6 kilometer square and 10 to the power of minus 2 kilometer square is the relation between hectare and kilometer square. Okay. 10 to the power of 4 meter square and 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6 kilometer square. So 10 to the power of 4 minus 6 kilometer square and 10 to the power of minus 2 kilometer square. The relation between hectare and kilometer square is equals to 1 hectare is equals to 10 to the power of minus 2 kilometer square. Okay. So multiples is completed. Some areas of figures. Areas of some objects. If I take rectangle with height h and breadth b, base b, so the area of this triangle is equals to half bh. What is the area of triangle? Half into height into base. Okay. If I take rectangle, we already know the area is equals to L into B. Okay. So if I take square, area is equals to side into side. Okay. If I take this side and this is side. Okay. And the area of parallelogram. Parallelogram nothing but this figure. Sides, this side and this side is equal and this side and this side is equal. Okay. This is a parallelogram and the area of parallelogram is base into height. This is height and this is base. Okay. So these are the areas of some objects. And the problems in first question they gave this triangle with the height 12 centimeters and the base 14 centimeters and the area of triangle is equals to half BH. Okay, half BH and half into base 14 into height 12 centimeter square. Unit is must and should be. So 2 6 12. So area is equals to 84 centimeter square. Area is equals to 84 centimeter square. Okay. So next problem. Here they are asking what is the area of this parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is base into height. Here base is 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters into here height is 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters. So 24 into 12. 288 centimeters square. The area of this parallelogram is 288 centimeters square. Okay. In this question, the area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram. In this question they are asking what is the base of this parallelogram when area of triangle and the area of parallelogram is equal. So area of triangle is half BH and the area of base is area of this parallelogram is BH. Okay, in this half into base 24 centimeters into height 6 centimeters is equals to base x we have to take, and into height 12 centimeters. So 12 into 2 24 and the 2 3 6 and the 3 into 2 6 centimeters. So x is equals to 6 centimeters. Okay, here base is equals to 6 centimeters. Okay, so today's topic is completed.